Hey there guys, this is the Swiffer WetJet. If you're looking to get one of these and you just want to see some of the features that it has, let me show you some of those right now. First of all, you see it has this nice long handle here. It has a hook here that you can easily hang it up onto a hook on the wall. The bottom here has these textured grooves into it, so it'll help you push along. Got these little almost like Velcro-like things for the pads. Speaking of the pads, when you buy it, it comes with a variety of different pads. Also comes with some batteries. Now the batteries are to operate, you see the two little nozzles down here that spray. Right up here is the button for that spray. Also comes with a cleaning solution. You just take this, put it right here, push it on. It's that simple. So these work great. Instead of having to use a regular mop that you have to clean out and everything like that, you can simply pull the pads off, throw them away. Let's show you it in action. This here is the pad. Just attaches right to this. It's that simple. It's really easy. When you're done, just rip it off, throw it away. The really nice thing about these is that they can be used on hardwood floors. They can be used on vinyl and tile. So this here is vinyl. The spray, you see it comes right out. This virtually leaves no streaks afterwards. Now I'm using it on tile. I like the fact that you can use it on multiple surfaces. And now using it on wood. You can see here, even with pushing real hard, the pad's not crumbling up. It's staying on in its place. That's because these really do the job very well. Another thing that I really like is that this shoots the cleaning solution out pretty far. You can see that right there. I've worked with other ones that it just kind of trickles out. This one works really well. So if you're anything like me, some of the questions you may have is, how well does the pad stay on? How well does the solution shoot out? And how well does it clean the floor? I hope this video helped you see just how well this one works.